Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 is not recognizing iPhone, iPad, iPod, etc., basically Apple devices, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. If the issue is from the end of the Apple device, then you will have to check it accordingly because you have to enable trust settings on the Apple device. But if it is from the Windows end, then try the following troubleshooting steps. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and then click on check for updates in the right pane. So make sure that all the updates are installed, and once this is done, here's the thing. Other people may suggest disabling third-party antivirus software products, but they don't usually interfere with Apple devices. So here's what we can do, a generic fix for everything. Simply try a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open the system configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide on Microsoft Services. If any of the service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, and then on OK, and then restart the computer. So this will make sure that no third-party program or any third-party antivirus is interfering, and that should work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.